Automotive's mobility consultant. I'm here to show you the Focaccia lowered floor with Genius ramp wheelchair accessible system, built and designed in Italy and fitted by Freedom. Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to use this system. We're going to open up the door. We're going to push this red button to open the ramp. Opening the second fold as we bring it down. And you get to bring your wheelchair in. Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to put the wheelchair in the vehicle. First of all, bring the chair up to the bottom of the ramp. Press the button for the electric restraints. Now that the button's on, they won't self-tension. Connect it to dedicated restraint points, or the strongest part of the front of your chair. Bring in the chair. Turn it off so they start self-tensioning. And now it's time to connect the manual rear retractable key restraints. These come standard with the kit. Turn, pull out. There you're good to go. Besides the wheelchair restraints, the vehicle also comes with a lap belt and a dedicated lap sash that connects to that belt to give ultimate safety while traveling in the vehicle. As an extra feature, these Focaccia kits all come with LED lights built into the system. Now let's fold up the ramp again so we can head out. First of all, you want to pick it up, lift it the whole way up, lift this red dial so the top folds in, and close the boot. This ramp has been designed for ultimate vision at the back window. Now I'm going to show you why this is called the Genius ramp. First of all, we're going to bring the ramp up like we did before. Bring it the whole way into the vehicle. But instead of folding it forward by pressing this lever, we're going to press this red button at the bottom and hold this handle. We're going to bring the ramp inside the vehicle, push it down. Now your car's back to normal and nobody will be the wiser that this is an accessible vehicle. You can even put your original rear back seat in here. Isn't that genius?